Okay. Look at this question. Find the area of each plane figure given below. Okay, there are some figures given. We have to find the area. First of all, the first figure. This figure is a square because all side lengths are equal in magnitude. Okay, by using these small hyphens, they were indicated all these sides are equal in magnitude. And all the angles, all the corner angles are right angles. So this is a square. To find the area of square, you have to multiply. Okay, this is a square. To find the area of this square, to find the area of this square, you have to multiply length into width. Okay, length into width. But in this case, for square, length and width both are same. Both are same. When you look at this is 5 centimeter length and width also exactly 5 centimeters. So when we multiply the area of this figure, that is 25 square centimeters. 25 square centimeters. That is the way you have to find your area for this square. Okay, now let's move to our second one. This is a triangle. Okay, in this triangle, here we will consider the here we will consider this perpendicular height as 8 centimeters. Okay, 8 centimeters. Then this is a triangle. This is an acute triangle. To find the area of acute triangle, area equals to half into base. Our base is 10 centimeters multiplied with perpendicular height. Perpendicular height for this acute triangle is 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Then we will simplify. So that will make our work easier. So this 2 and 10 can be simplified. 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. Then after when we multiply 5 centimeter into 8 centimeter, 5 into 8 40, centimeter into centimeter, square centimeter, square centimeters. So this is going to be your answer for this question. Okay. Now let's discuss another question. Okay, our next question, that is third. Okay, when you look at this picture, in this picture you can see the base is given. Okay, the perpendicular height given outside, the perpendicular height given inside. So we can conclude perpendicular height means from the base to its opposite vertex. Okay, base to opposite vertex. When we draw a dotted line through the base from the opposite vertex to base, this is our perpendicular height. This is our perpendicular height. When you look at this picture, you can see the exact perpendicular height here. This is the exact perpendicular height. So we can consider perpendicular height as 6 centimeters. Okay, 6 centimeters. How can we conclude our perpendicular height? Opposite vertex from the base. Okay, opposite vertex from the base, that is this one. Okay, from this we have to draw a perpendicular line. Okay, perpendicular dotted line from the opposite vertex towards base. So this is the exact 6 centimeters. You can look at this picture and find out this. So here we will find the area. Okay, area equals to half into base. Our base is 12 centimeters. So 12 centimeter multiplied with perpendicular height. Perpendicular height is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Then we will simplify as much as we can. This 2 and 12 can be simplified. 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. Then after we will multiply. 6 into 6 36. Centimeter into centimeter, square centimeters. Square centimeters. Then for fourth picture, okay, this is a composite figure. Okay, this is not a figure. Okay, there are two figures. There are two different shapes. Composite. Okay, two different figures created a composite figure. We have to find the area of this composite figure. Here you have to think each component individually. Okay, this is a rectangle and this is a triangle. This is a rectangle and this is a triangle. First of all, I'll find the area of this rectangle. Okay, to find the area of this rectangle, length into width. Okay, to find the area of a rectangle, you should multiply length into width. So the length 10 centimeters multiplied with the width. Width of this rectangle is 5 centimeters. 10 centimeter multiplied with 5 centimeters. So 10 5s are 50 square centimeters. 50 square centimeters. In this composite figure, we just only found area. Okay, the rectangle's area. Done. Okay, then we will find area of this triangle. Okay, yeah, you have to think this differently. If this side of this rectangle is 5 centimeter, opposite side also, this one, this is the opposite with respect to this side. So, this one also 5 centimeters. Okay, this one also exact 5 centimeters. Now, look at this. Okay, now look at this triangle. In this triangle, you can see the base is 5 centimeter and perpendicular height is 4 centimeters. To get the area of this triangle, half into the base. Base 5 centimeter multiplied with the perpendicular height of this triangle, that is 4 centimeters. Okay, I'll repeat once more. If this is 5, the opposite side also 5. Then we will find the area of this triangle by using the formula half into base 5 centimeter into perpendicular height 4 centimeters. Okay, we will simplify this 2 with this 4. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then after 5 2s are 10 square centimeters. 10 square centimeters. But our work not done yet. Okay. Here the question is to find the area of this composite figure. Area of this composite figure. We found the areas individually. For rectangle it's 50 centimeters square and for triangle it's 10 centimeters square. So the total area is 50 centimeters square, 50 square centimeters added with the triangle's area 10 square centimeters. So both together will give us the total area as 60 square centimeters. 60 square centimeters. Okay, then the final question under this topic. This is a quadrilateral because it has totally 4 sides. Okay, this is a quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, we have to split this into two figures. That means we have to split this one into a rectangle and a triangle. Okay, otherwise we don't know how to find the total area of this shape. So for that we have to split this into two portions. This one, okay, look at this. This one is a rectangle and the remaining is a triangle. First of all, we will find the magnitudes. Okay, if this is 11, okay, if this is 11, the opposite side also 11 centimeters. 11 centimeters. But according to the data, this total length, okay, this total length is 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. So from that 20, when we subtract, we already know this length is 11 centimeter. From 20, we have to subtract 11 to find the remaining length. Okay, remaining length. So that is 20 minus 11. It should be 9 centimeters. It should be 9 centimeters. Similarly, in this rectangle, if this side, okay, this is a width of this rectangle. If this width is 7, the opposite width also 7 centimeters. Okay, this one also 7 centimeters. Then we will find each shape individually to find the area individually. For this rectangle, okay, to find the area of this rectangle, we have to multiply length into width. So length is 11 centimeter multiplied with the width, that is 7 centimeters. Length 11 centimeters, width 7 centimeters. So when we multiply, it's 77 square centimeters. Okay. Then after we will find the area of this right angle triangle. Area of this right angle triangle. For that you have to use the formula half into base. We will consider this as our base. The 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter into the perpendicular height of this right triangle is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter. Okay. Here we cannot simplify this because these two are odd numbers. This is an even number. So we have to multiply 9 into 7 is 63 square centimeters. In the denominator, you can see number 2. In the denominator, in previous cases, we just simplified our values. But in this case, that's not possible. For that, half into 9 into 7. I'll multiply the numerators first. 9 into 7 is 63 square centimeters. In the denominator, we have to keep our 2 as it is. So 2 will remain same. Then we will divide. 63 divided by 2 will give you 31.5 square centimeters. 31.5 square centimeters. Now we found each, okay, there are two shapes in this composite figure. That's a rectangle and a right triangle. We found each area separately. Then when we add these two areas together, we will receive the total area of this shape. So 77 added with 31.5. 31.5. Here you can see in 77 there is no any decimal. So we will put a decimal and 0. Okay, we will place our decimal after the number and place a 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 7 plus 1, 8. 7 plus 3, it's 108. So, the unit for this area is square centimeters. 77 plus 31.5 together 108.5 square centimeters. That is the area of this composite figure.